Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Shamon's Kitchen. Today, as you can see, I have the ingredients already laid out. We are going to be making some air fried. There's the air fryer. I'm going to go ahead and make these wings for you guys. Okay, all right, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and get started with the ingredients. I have my seasonings. I have lemon pepper, Shamon's Kitchen seasoning, so you can do your seasoning salts or whatever you prefer. So again, lemon pepper, Shamon's Kitchen seasoning salt. I have a little bit of pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder. Then I have a couple eggs we're going to beat. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. I have flour, I have milk, I have some olive oil, and of course we have the main attraction, the air fryer. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we do have the eggs. I just have 2 eggs here. Let's go ahead and whisk that together. Make sure it's kind of beat all the way. Don't want to really get no scrambled eggs here, but you don't want no lumpy mix. Okay, now with that being said, guys, I'm going to take some powder. Okay, no seasoning powder because I'm going to put my own seasonings in. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and also take a little bit of milk. You don't want to pour a whole bunch in at one time. Don't want it too soupy, but you want it a little loose. I'm going to show you what we're going to do with that. See how it's still kind of cluttered up here? Just a little bit more, just to even it out. And you want to make sure you mix that up real good. Okay, get some of the clumps out. With that being said, I already got my chicken washed and ready to go. Chicken washed and clean. Now, it depends on what part of the chickens you are doing. Today we're going to do the wings. So with the air fryer, you know, of course it kind of cooks different. So you want to have that together. Now with the air fryer, I want to show you guys what we're going to do with that. With the wings, with the wings, we're going to have them open. Okay, I'm going to have them open so they can cook all the way through. Okay. So with my seasoning mix I gave you guys, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit in my mixture here, and I'm going to put some over the chicken. Okay, put as much as you like. You want to make sure you rub it all around how you do your chicken regularly. Okay. We'll go ahead and get that going. A little bit more. Okay, so I have the batter and everything already going, and you want to take maybe a spray bottle or a brush and make sure that you put the olive oil over your chicken, because with the air fryer you don't want to dry out your chicken. So that's why I put more seasoning in my batter, to make sure that the seasonings stick in there. Okay. Look at that. All right, so we got the olive oil on and wing is open, and we're gonna go ahead and dip it in our batter. So you want to make sure you get it all around. Okay. Then I have my flour bag ready. I have a small one. It's better to use a bigger one, so you wouldn't have to go little by little. But this is all I had, is Ziploc, small. Okay. You're gonna shake it all around. Make sure the flour gets all around. And look at that. Okay, let's go ahead and do another one for you. So the olive oil is already on, so I don't have to do that. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in my batter, just like a assembly line. Guys, this is well worth it. I said, let me try my air fryer out. I see a lot of people using it, and they seem to like it. And I have tasted a couple dishes, a couple meals that people have made with it, and it tastes delicious. I said, oh, it's time to break mine out. kind of break our mind. So you're gonna go ahead and shake it up. I have a small bag here, but we are going to use what we have. And look at that. Okay, and I'm gonna come back and show you the rest. Okay, y'all, here is the wings. I have more to cook, but I'm just going to show you guys. Didn't want to keep you too long here. And I have my air fryer set at 25 minutes at 400. And during the process, we are going to add a little olive oil here and there because we don't want those bad babies to dry out. Okay, let's go ahead and place them in. I don't want to overcrowd my air fryer. Put a couple of them side up and a couple of them. I'm going to show you the real deal here. Okay. You want to get those placed. One more. Don't want to overcrowd your air fryer. Remember that. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this wiped up here. So it is ready to go. Kind of wipe it down 25 minutes at 400. I'll be back and show you guys during the process. I'm going to add more olive oil. Okay? Okay. We'll be back. It's cooking. Okay, guys. They've been cooking for like maybe about 15 minutes. Okay? Look at that. I'm going to bring them so I can show you. Crispy they get. You want to flip them all over, and I'm going to add olive oil to them. Okay, you want to make sure I flip them all over. Add olive oil to them, and then we are going to olive oil to them. Then we are going to go from there. Get olive oil added on a couple, and then we're going to cook the rest. And I'm going to show you what to do from there. It's good to have a spray bottle. But add your olive oil halfway through and you keep going. Okay, so I went ahead and put my olive oil, added them to all of them while I flipped them halfway through, like 15 minutes for the wings. Okay, depends on what part of the chicken you're cooking. Spray bottle is better with the olive oil in it. And let's get finished cooking and I'll come back and show you the finishing results. Look how crispy that look, y'all. All right, let's get it going. Back on here. Okay, I'll be back to show you. Okay, so good 23 minutes. Good 23 minutes. Let's go ahead and take them out. Look at that. Look at that crispy, y'all. I'm just gonna put them on the plate for y'all. I'm not gonna even do. Look at that. All the way done. Delish. Don't want to overcook. Yummy, yum, yum. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Let's bring it in some light so you guys can really see it really good. See that? Crispy. Delish. I'm going to go ahead and cook up some more. I want to get it in the light for you. Air fried wings. Both sides. I know you guys want to see. All the way cooked. Let's take the other one out. Yummy. Air fried wings. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, there you got it. Air fried wings. Absolutely delicious. Let me taste one. Look at the inside. Done. Good and delicious. Thanks for tuning in with me today at Shamon's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Please share this video so people can get in on the air fried wings. Shamon's Kitchen on YouTube, Instagram, Shamon's Kitchen, Facebook, Shamon Snyder, or Shamon's Kitchen. Let's share. Thank you so much, guys. Everybody have a blessed one.